In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Facebook Marketplace without friends seeing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to keep your listing out of your friends' feeds while still reaching local buyers. Start by opening Facebook and heading to Marketplace. On a computer, you'll find Marketplace in the left sidebar. On the mobile app, look for the storefront icon along the bottom or top navigation. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type Marketplace to jump straight in. Once you're in Marketplace, click or tap Create New Listing. This is where you'll choose the format that best fits what you're selling. If you're listing a general item like electronics, furniture, or clothing, use the standard item for sale option. Vehicles and properties have their own categories, so pick those only if they apply to you. Choosing the right type helps Facebook show your listing to the right people. Now fill in your item details. Add clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles and avoid including anything that reveals personal information in the background. Write a short, honest title and a detailed description that covers the condition, brand or model, measurements, and what's included. Set a fair price based on similar listings in your area. Select the most accurate category and choose the correct condition like new or used. Set your general location so buyers know where pickup would be, and if you're open to shipping or delivery, indicate that here as well. The more complete and accurate your details are, the fewer back and forth messages you'll need later. Before you publish, look for the privacy setting labeled Hide from Friends. Toggle this on. This setting keeps your Facebook friends from seeing your listing in Marketplace or getting it suggested to them. Keep in mind, if you share the listing to your own timeline or to a group your friends are in, they may still see it there. Also, features can vary slightly by app version and region, so this option may appear under a privacy or audience section within the listing screen. When everything looks good and Hide from Friends is enabled, click Publish. Your listing will go live to Marketplace, but it won't surface to your friends' feeds. After publishing, you can return to your listing anytime to edit details or adjust the privacy setting if needed. As inquiries come in, reply through Messenger, stick to safe payment methods, and arrange meetups in public places. That's it. Your item is listed and your privacy is protected.